Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how we can create the email list audience on the Facebook and what are the different things we need to remember regarding this one. So first of all, there are some of the things we need to remember relating to creating the email list in as an audience in our Facebook Ads Manager. So first thing we need to remember that the targeting options are limited based on the location, age, and genders, and we cannot target the people that are like the that's what Facebook is providing. So we can globally target 18 plus. Then if we are finding the people in the Thailand, the age limit must be 20 plus, or if we are targeting the Indonesia, then the age must be 21 plus. Then there are some of the prerequisites before creating the campaign. What One thing is that you can only create the email list audience in the business manager ad account. If you are using the personal ads manager account, then you cannot create the email list audience. So that is the first thing. Sometimes people are like checking that they are not able to create the audience based on the email, so they need to make sure their ads manager is in the business manager account. The second thing is that we cannot create the email list audience in the new ad accounts. We need to have the business manager ad account, and we need to spend some money on that ad account, and after that we can create the email list on that ad account. Then the data, we must have that data that we need to upload in the CSV or TXT format. And the next thing, how we can create the CSV file, we can demonstrate this one. So first of all, we need to add the identifiers. What are the different identifiers? So just example, the email list or the phone numbers of the people, or if we have their address or the first name or last name, or we have the other identifiers. So just example, here are the different identifiers that I have open the Facebook business help. So we can see, like, we can use the identifier as an email, we can use the phone number, we can use the mobile advertiser ID, we can use Facebook user app ID, we can use Facebook page ID, we can use the first name, we can use last name, then we can use the city, state, province, country, date of birth, year of birth, age, zip code, or the postal codes, or the genders. So these are the different identifiers we can use. And the for like the best matched audience, always use the as many identifiers as possible. We need to again use as many as identifiers as possible for getting the best possible audience. So how we can prepare the Excel sheet? So first of all, in the header or in the main headline, we need to put the identifiers. So just example, for the email, we need to put the email in the same file that I was showing. Here you can see the different identifiers are available. So if we are want to use the email, so column header will be email, and under that we need to use the emails. And then for the phone numbers, the column header will be phone in the lowercase. This was also in the lowercase. Then we can add the phone numbers. For mobile advertiser ID, the headline must be mobile advertiser ID. Facebook user ID, we need to use like the UID. So I am just creating these ones. So then the phone, then mobile ID, then Facebook user ID. Then if we check MAD ID, so the second one is MAD ID. Then the next one is UID, then page. If we are using the page user ID, then page UID we need to use first name and last name, and the most important things we need to use. So normally we are not using this one. So for the first name you can put FN, and for the last name you can put as LN. Then if you are like using city state, again you need to use these headers. So then from here you need to put the email addresses. So just example abcd@gmail.com, then def@gmail. Again you will put the emails of your customers here. Here you will put the phone numbers like +1, whatever the number will be. Then you can put the name, like I am just putting my first name and then last name. So in this way you can create like the your CSV format, and from the Excel you can simply save that as a CSV format. And after creating that, then you need to go to the audiences section in your business manager ad account, and then you need to click on create a custom audience. And these are the different type of the custom audiences that will be available here. So from here you can see feature is unavailable. An ad account owned by businesses new to Facebook products can create customer file custom audiences after several week of following practices. So like this feature you can see this is not available right now because this is the new business manager ad account. I will show you in the next video how we can create this one from the account that we were already using that.